Is TikTok Shop safe for credit card? Yes, TikTok Shop is safe for credit card transactions because it uses secure payment systems and encryption technology to protect user information. When you make a purchase, your payment details are processed through verified and encrypted gateways rather than stored directly by the seller. This ensures your credit card data stays private and protected throughout the transaction process. TikTok Shop also implements multi-layered security protocols, such as fraud detection and identity verification, to minimize risks. Sellers go through an approval process before joining the platform, and all payments are routed through TikTok's official payment partners. Additionally, buyers are covered under TikTok's purchase protection policy, which ensures refunds or order support in case of any issues with the product or payment. In practice, thousands of customers safely use TikTok Shop to purchase everything from fashion to tech products every day. Many sellers use Helium 10 to enhance their store performance, ensuring product accuracy, better listings, and trustworthy customer experiences. When combined with TikTok's built-in protections, tools like Helium 10 help create a secure, professional, and reliable online shopping experience for both buyers and sellers. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to scale your TikTok shop like a pro.